Mommy Karen and I set a meet up to have breakfast with the kids because we just arrived from Philippines. Fortunately, it was her birthday last Sunday, August 17. So, I made a booking to Shangri-La Hotel and arranged a small cake for her as a surprise. Then, one waiter came to me and said, "Ma'am, the cake will be ready in 5 to 10 minutes. Katabi ko si Mami Karen. Buti na lang di niya narinig. So, when the cake arrived, she was surprised. Though, hiyang-hiya siya kasi kinakantahan siya ng mga waiters.
Birthday! Happy birthday! Ano ba yun? Oh, thank you! Thank you! Kaya? Yan ang gamitin. Happy birthday! Hi, we have a cake. Thank you.
After we eat, since sobrang busog kami, nag-decide kaming maglakad-lakad inside the hotel. We check their facilities. Mas maliit yung swimming pool nila and lobby compared to other Shangri-La hotels. Ayun lang. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.